Imagine you're a CEO trying to manage a growing team and a complex project. How do you ensure everyone is on the same page, deadlines are met, and tasks are completed efficiently? That's where Asana comes in. You might have heard of Asana, but do you know which major companies are using it to streamline their operations? Let's dive into the world of Asana and discover the giants that have chosen this project management tool. Section 1. What is Asana? Asana is a popular project management platform that helps teams organize, plan, and collaborate on tasks. It's designed to make work easier and more efficient by providing a centralized workspace where everyone can see what needs to be done, who's responsible, and when it's due. Key features of Asana include task management, project planning, team collaboration, calendar views, reporting and analytics. Section 2. The benefits of Asana. Why have so many companies turned to Asana? Let's explore some of the key benefits it offers. Improved productivity. Asana helps teams stay organized and focused, reducing the time spent on task switching and context switching. Enhanced collaboration. Teams can easily communicate and collaborate on projects, ensuring everyone is aligned and working towards the same goals. Better visibility. Asana provides a clear overview of project progress, making it easy to identify potential bottlenecks and address issues proactively. Increased accountability. With Asana, it's easy to assign tasks, track progress, and hold team members accountable for their responsibilities. Section 3. Big companies using Asana. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Which major companies are using Asana to power their operations? 1. Facebook. One of the most well-known examples, Facebook uses Asana to manage its vast engineering teams and complex projects. 2. Uber. As a rapidly growing company, Uber relies on Asana to coordinate its global operations and ensure smooth execution of projects. 3. Pinterest. Known for its visually appealing interface, Pinterest uses Asana to manage its content creation process and maintain a high level of quality. 4. Spotify. The popular music streaming service uses Asana to coordinate its product development teams and ensure a seamless user experience. 5. Dropbox. As a cloud storage company, Dropbox uses Asana to manage its engineering teams and ensure the reliability of its platform. These are just a few examples of the many large companies that have embraced Asana. Asana's versatility and scalability have made it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes and industries. Section 4. Why Asana might be right for your company. If you're considering Asana for your team, here are some factors to consider. Team size. Asana is well-suited for teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Project complexity. If your projects are complex and involve multiple teams, Asana can help streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. Integration capabilities. Asana integrates with a wide range of other tools, making it easy to connect it to your existing systems. As you can see, Asana is a powerful project management tool that has been adopted by many leading companies around the world. If you're looking for a way to improve your team's productivity, collaboration, and visibility, Asana might be the solution you've been searching for. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about Asana, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.